What's up guys, Realme 3 Pro has announced. Let's talk about the features. This smartphone comes with a 25 megapixel front camera and you will get 6.3 inch Full HD plus IPS display. And it has a Snapdragon 710 and dual SIM option, as well as it comes with a fingerprint sensor on the back and Android 9.0 with color 6.0. Let's talk about the back camera. It has a dual rear camera 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. And this smartphone comes with a Adreno 616 GPU. It has a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor, and this smartphone comes with a two different versions. First 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and second one 6GB RAM and 128GB storage version. And guys, this smartphone comes with a 4045 mAh with fast battery charging. You can charge your phone 50% in 30 minutes. And guys, this smartphone comes with a two different versions, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, price is 14,000, and second one 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, price is 17,000 rupees.